Hello guys, welcome back to Enough Things. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix black screen in Once Human. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having some issues here with Once Human and you're getting that black screen when you're trying to play the game, well, there are a few things that you could try doing here. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that everything is fully updated, because usually if you're getting that black screen, it means that your GPU may have some issues here. So you want to open up your, in this case, driver for your GPU. So in my case, I have NVIDIA, so go ahead and open up the NVIDIA app if you have an NVIDIA GPU. But if you have an AMD, go ahead and open up the AMD app. But you want to go to your drivers here, and you want to go ahead and click on the download button if you do see any updates for your driver. Now, if you're not aware yet, GPUs actually, or the manufacturer, the brand of your GPU here, actually releases some updates here for certain games. So in this case, since Once Human here is quite heavy on the graphics, it's necessary that they update their technology here in order to keep up with what Once Human has. So in this case, going to click on download here, wait for it to update, going to start your PC and see if that actually helps. Now, another thing you may want to do is you want to make sure that Windows is fully updated as well. So you want to go to Windows here, just type in update, choose the check for updates, and you want to go ahead and click on check for updates here. Now, if there are any updates, go ahead and install that in your PC and see if that actually helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the last and final thing that you could try doing here is you want to go ahead and look for Once Human in here. So for example, if this is Once Human, you can go and right click on it. You want to go ahead and click on the option here that says open file location. And once you actually see the launcher for Once Human, go and right click on it. Click on the properties option. You want to go to compatibility and you want to go and choose the option. So run this program as administrator. Click on disable full screen optimization, and also click on run this program in compatibility mode 4, and click on apply and OK, and see if that actually helps. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.